Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. I preheated my pressure cooker 6-in-1 to brown first, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some kosher salt into the pot, like this. Okay, and then some black pepper. I got this beautiful 3-pound pot roast. Just put it in. We're gonna brown on each side, maybe 8 to 10 minutes on each side. This side, we're gonna add kosher salt, generously, black pepper, cinnamon powder, star anise powder, some paprika, and then a touch of brown sugar. The brown sugar will help them a very nice caramelization, great flavor. Give them a quick turn. This side we're gonna brown it for about 10 minutes too. I'm gonna add some ginger and garlic. And some xiaoxing wine, or you can add regular red wine, will be fine. That's a xiaoxing wine. Usually you're making like a slow cook or pressure cook, like something like that. The xiaoxing wine will give them a really nice flavor. And Worcestershire sauce. And I add some regular soy sauce. Also combined with the dark soy sauce to give you more flavor and get them better color. Just eyeball it first. And then here I have this shitake mushroom, dry, and also this is a dry tofu bean thread, dry. You just soak into like a warm water for 15-20 minutes. Add it in. Here I got some bay leaf, jalapeno pepper, onion, carrot, potatoes, and bell pepper. Just whatever you have, you think is good for this pot, and just add it in. I just add in some coriander, cloves, and fennel in, and some sesame oil. We're ready to let them cook. I think there's enough broth, enough stock right here. You see, just barely cover the meat, right? Before we cover up, we're going to zest some lemon. And I selected to meat stew. And we're going to use pressure for 45 minutes. Should be good. So in my pressure cooker, I only cook for 45 minutes. If you do like a crock pot, sometimes you can cook up to 6 to 8 hours. So depend how tender of the texture that you like. So this is probably how my family like it. You know, if you want a more tender, like the meat will fall off. So you probably need to cook a little longer, but it's up to you. I'm trying the juice. Oh my goodness, just so good, so wonderful, so good. The meat not really like super fall off. So this here you can serve with rice. So wonderful flavor, all the ingredient. Or you can make some pasta and take some of the broth out here and mix it with some plain water or some beef stock. You can make a noodle soup. Look, the potatoes is nice and tender. Yep, that's what you like. And this is the dry tofu that I'm talking about. It's so delicious with this recipe. So we got mushroom and all the vegetable. If you want to drain the vegetable and thicken the sauce, go right ahead. Some people like to drain it out and make a root out of it, make it a sauce thicker, and pour over top of this beautiful roast meat. You can do that. Here we go. Please subscribe and comment. I'm Chef Tom. Hope you like the video. I will see you next time. Bye.